beliefs and what we store. Identity configuration to the responsibilities that stay with you. Built beyond our walls of stone, stronger than we build alone. The cloud may carry part of the load while we protect our data road.
If you would like to read more about this concept, the repository is available on GitHub, CyberScrolls certification Ballads.